Hello everyone, let us solve this CSAT PYQ. So let me briefly explain the question. We have 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G and they travel by 3 cars X, Y and Z. We are given few Qs and based on them we have to identify the correct statements. So let us read the Qs. A and another 2 of them travel by X. So X has A and another 2 people in it. Only E travels with G. This means that E and G travel only with each other. So E and G can be in Y or Z. Now let us read the next statement. C travels by Z but B does not travel by Y. So C travels by Z. So if C travels by Z, E and G cannot be in Z. So let us remove Z from here. B does not travel by Y. This means that B travels by X or B travels in Z. Now let us read the next statement. Besides, A and B do not travel by the same car. This means that B cannot travel in X since A is traveling in X. So B travels in Z with C. This leaves us with D and F. So D and F travel with A in X. Now we have the arrangements. Now let us read the statements. Statement 1 says that no one travels alone. So this statement is correct. Statement 2 says that only D travels with F. So this statement is not correct since A, D and F travel together. Statement 3 says that only C travels with B. So this statement is again correct. So the correct answer is 1 and 3 and the correct option will be option B. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more CSAT PYQs and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.